Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry, here with a review of a new and unusual grinder. It is the Bud Wakker. That's Wakker, Bud Wakker. And a grinder that's unusual. What's so unusual about this grinder? I can't wait to show you. Before I do, though, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And please do me a huge favor, hit the like button too if you get value out of my videos because it helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithm. Okay, what is so unusual about this grinder? Well, you can tell by the looks of it, it's a little bit unusual. And it was invented by two octogenarian brothers. And as a senior stoner myself, I love seeing seniors in the cannabis industry. So they invented this unique grinder. And what's so unique about it, if you can see, it's not your typical little spikes that you grind things are in around not typical. Inside are some very sharp blades, and it kind of works like those sparker toys you had when you were a kid, or like even like starting a lawnmower, because you pull this, as you see, and that turns the blades. So it's very easy to use the Bud Wakker. You just put in a few buds, and I have some that I broke up here ahead of time, and I'll show you how it works. Now you are going to want to remove any kind of big stems. The Bud Wakker is not a fan of stems, but then who is? So you put the weed in, and then we put the lid on, and let me see how that goes. Okay, lid on, and you can see through the lid what's going on, and now we pull the cord and just grind it until it's to a consistency we like. So we can see from the lid, I can anyway, I'm not sure you can see in the video what's going on there, but you can see how finely it's ground. And when I first used it, I thought, well, that looks kind of coarse, and then I pulled the string a few more times, and before I knew it, it was almost too fine. So I really like that you can adjust the grind on it just by how much you pull that string. I'm going to pour that out, and you can see there's some nice ground weed there on the side. And I really like it. It is sturdier than I thought. I have to say, it comes in a kind of cheesy packaging. So when I first got this, I was skeptical that it would be very lightweight. And it is a lightweight plastic, but the blades are very strong. For cleaning, this blade just pops right out like that. There is one permanent blade that stays in there, and you do want to be careful because these are very sharp. For the permanent blade, they give you a poker with it that you can clean under it. Now, what needs improvement? What's wrong with this gadget? Not much. It really does work much better than I thought. I really love that you can control the grind. If you have hand problems, I think this is easier than maybe dealing with a grinder. So anyone with arthritis or hand problems, I think they would like it. But what can be improved? I ideally would like it not to be plastic. Metal would be nicer, but it's sturdy enough. I mean, it's not a make or break item with me. It's also very inexpensive, so I can't complain too much. It's only about $20, $25, somewhere like that. I'm going to see if I can't get a coupon code or some kind of deal for you guys. So check out the comments below and see if I can come up with a coupon code or deal on this grinder. So at $20, I think it makes a really nice grinder, and it's a pretty good inexpensive gift. I do like the mechanism. The only other thing that I could maybe complain about, it's not a big deal to me, but it might be to you, there is no keef screen or keef catcher. You're going to get everything in there. There's no separate keef catcher. Likewise, I would recommend cleaning this out with alcohol at least once a week or more, depending on how much you use it, because it will get gummy and dirty, and I don't think you really want to submerge it. So that's about it, but I really do like the function. I was really surprised at how well it functioned. And I hope you will like it too. Check it out, the Bud Wakker.